Hi, little bolts. So Mrs. Riddle has a craving for candy, and she decides that she wants to buy this candy over here, and it costs 38 cents. But we know that Mrs. Riddle has $1. So we want to find out how much money would she have left if she bought this 38 cents. And one way that I can figure out how much money she would have left is that I can count up. So I can start at 38 and I can count up to $1. Now I know that $1 is the same thing as 100 cents. So I can start at 38 and I can go 39, 40, 50, 75, 100. And that'll get me to $1. So if she has this $1 in her pocket and she buys this candy for 38 cents, this is how much money she would have left afterward. So I can then count that money, and now I'm going to start with the big coins, 25, 50, 60, 61, 62. She would have 62 cents left when she was done. She started with $1. She bought candy for 38 cents, and now she has 62 cents left. Now, another way that I can solve that problem is I can use my 100 chart. I'm going to show you that next. So if Mrs. Riddle wants to buy this candy for 38 cents, and she has $1 in her pocket, I can use my 100 chart. Let me show you. So she has $1 in her pocket, right? 100 cents. And she wants to buy this candy for 38 cents. So I can use my 100 chart and I can count backwards to get to 38 to find out how much money she has left. So let's do that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. She would still have 62 cents. Now look at that. I get the same answer. I just did it a different way. Right? So if I want to use my 100 chart, I can do that as well to find the answer. Now I'm going to show you one more way that you could find the answer for this. Mrs. Riddle started with 100 cents, right? And she wants to buy a candy for 38 cents. Well, when she's buying something, that's a clue to me that I want to subtract. I'm taking away 38 cents from the $1 that she already has. So I know when I'm subtracting, I always want to start over here in the ones column, and I don't have anything there. So I can't take anything away. So I'm going to have to come over to the tens column, but guess what, guys? There's nothing there either. So I have to go the whole way over to the hundreds column. And now, instead of having 100, I don't have 100 anymore, right? I can bring that 10 over to the tens column. But that doesn't really solve my problem over here. My problem over here is that I still have 0. So I have to go back over to the tens column, and I have to borrow again. Now instead of 10 tens, I'll have 9 tens, and bring my 10 over. Now I have 10 ones, and I can subtract 8. I can take away 8. Okay? 10 minus 8 equals 2. I come over to the tens column. I have 9 tens now, and I take away 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. And I don't have any hundreds, so I don't have to do anything there. Look at my answer. I got the same answer. All 3 ways will get me the answer. And as a mathematician, I get to decide which one of those ways works best for me. And sometimes I might do it one way and then check it using another method to figure out that I got the right answer or not. Sometimes one method works better